Good day, learners! This is week 2, rounding off and arranging numbers. To understand how big is the number, we always do compare and arrange them from greatest to least or least to greatest. We also make numbers simpler by rounding off numbers but keeping its value close to what it was. After going through this lesson, you are expected to round up numbers to the nearest thousand and 10,000 and order numbers up to 100,000 in increasing and decreasing order. Learning Task 1. Select the number which are not arranged in the required order. Number 1. Least to greatest. Number 2, greatest to least. Number 3, least to greatest. When we compare bigger numbers, we compare the digits starting from the left. The greater the value of the digit, the greater is the value of the number. To order numbers from least to greatest, we will find first the least number and then the greatest and vice versa. After doing that, we compare the remaining numbers. Look at the example. Example, arrange 34,821, 33,952, and 35,309. Solution, arrange first those numbers in column. Remember, look at the first digit of the number from the left. Same number. If all the numbers are the same, proceed to the next digit. 5 is greater than 4 and 3. Therefore, 35,309 is the greatest number. Do the same procedure until you find which number is the greatest or the least. Then, arrange the numbers according to what is ordered. Therefore, to arrange the numbers from greatest to least, we have 35,309, 34,821, and 33,952. When we count, measure, and calculate, we sometimes use rounding off to give us an estimation and approximation of the actual value or close value. Look at some example on how to round off numbers. Example, the school enrollment of 5,231 can be rounded off to the nearest thousand. 5,231 is near to 5,000 than 6,000 as shown below in the number line. Therefore, 5,231 round off to the nearest thousands is 5,000. The following are the steps on how to round off numbers to a given place value. Observe when to be rounded up and rounded down. Look at the value of the digit to the right of the digits to be rounded off. If the digit on the right is equal to or greater than 5, increase the digit by 1. If the digit is less than 5, retain the digit as it is. Then replace every digit to its right zeros. Example 1. Round off the number 23,945 to the nearest thousands. Ang digit na 3 ang nasa thousands place. Tingnan ang kanyang nasa kanan, 9. Greater than 5. So ang 3, magbabago, round up to 24,000. Yung 9, the digit 9, 4 and 5 is replaced by 0. And that is round up. The answer, 23,945 rounded to the nearest thousands is 24,000. Example 2, round off the number 23,945 to the nearest 10,000. Ang digit na to ang nasa 10,000. At ang 3 na nasa kanan niya, less than 5. So that is rounded up to 20,000. The digit 3, 9, 4, and 5 is replaced by 0. So ang 2, retain. Kaya, rounded down. So, 23,945 rounded to the nearest 10,000 is 20,000. Learning task 2. Arrange the numbers from greatest to least. Number 1. The sequence are 556, 476, 346. Number 2, 875, 865, 864. Number 3, 7,589, 1,243, and 1,240. Number 4, 13,675, 13,657, 13,645. Number 5, 66,654, 66,546, and 66,456. Learning task 3. Arrange the following sets of numbers in increasing order. Arrange in column. Then the sequence are 32,124, 32,456, 32,532, 32,934, and 32,983. Number 2, the sequence are 62,279, 62,312, 62,345, 62,387, and 62,398. Number 3, in increasing order, 89,124, 89,246, 89,345, 89,534, and 89,923. Number 4, In increasing order, 19,087, 19,216, 19,312, 19,432, 19,310. Number 5, the sequence in increasing order, 31,821, 31,839, 31,861, 31,876, and 31,890. Learning task 4. Arrange the following sets of numbers in decreasing order. When you say decreasing order, from largest to smallest. 58,240, 58,204, 58,042, 58,024. Number 2, in decreasing order, 10,908, 10,809, 10,098, and 10,089. Number 3, 85,703, 85,370, 85,307, and 85,073. Number 4, 98,705, 98,570, 98,507, and 98,057. And number 5, 41,810, 41,108, 41,081, and 41,018. Learning task 5. Select the number which is not arranged in the required order. Number 1, increasing order. Number 2, increasing order. Number 3, decreasing order. Number 4, increasing order. Learning task 6. Round up the following numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Number 1, 57,342, round up to the nearest thousands. So that is 7. Tingin sa kanan, 3. Lower than 5, so it will remain 7. So 57,000. 10,000s, digit 5. Ang nasa kanan niya is 7. So means, round up, it becomes 60,000. Number 2, 76,564. Round up to the nearest thousands. 6, ang nasa kanan niya ay 5. 6 becomes 7. So 77,000. Round up to the nearest 10,000s. 7, ang nasa kanan niya ay 6. Higher than 5. So round up, 7 becomes 8. So 80,000. Number 3, 95,634. Round up to the nearest thousands. 5, ang nasa kanan niya ay 6. So ang 5 ay magiging 6. Round up. Round up to the nearest thousands. 9 becomes 10. So 100,000. Number 4, 85,756. Round up to the nearest thousands. 5, ang nasa kanan niya ay 7. So round up. 5 becomes 6. So 86,000. Next is, round up to the nearest 10,000s. So 8, ang nasa kanan niya ay 5. So it becomes 9. 90,000. Number 5, 63,526. Round up to the nearest thousands. So 3, ang nasa kanan niya ay 5. Round up, 3 becomes 4. So 64,000. And round up to the nearest 10,000s. That is 6. Ang nasa kanan niya ay 3. 6 becomes 6. Retain. So 60,000. Learning task 7. Round up the actual price and write the figures on the appropriate column. Para sa television, 12,395 ang actual price. Pag ni-round up sa thousands, 2 ang nasa thousands place. Ang nasa kanan niya ay 3, less than 5. So, ang 2 is mananatiling 2. So, 12,000. Sa 10,000s naman, 1 ang nasa 10,000s. Ang nasa right side niya ay 2, digit 2. So, less than 5 also. So, this is 10,000. Para sa cabinet, na actual price is 17,575. Ang nasa thousands place ay 7. So, ang nasa kanan niya ay 5. So, means round up. So, it becomes 18,000. Sa 10,000s place naman ay ang 1. Ang nasa kanan niya ay 7. Round up, it becomes 20,000. For refrigerator, 28,989 ang actual price. I-round up natin sa thousands place. 8 ang digit. Ang nasa kanan niya is 9. More than 5. So, 9 ang magigi sa 8. Round up. It becomes 29,000. For 10,000 place, that is 2. Ang nasa right side niya ay 8. Round up. It becomes 30,000 pesos. Sa sala set, actual price is 15,695. Round up sa thousands place, which is 5 ang nasa digit na. 5 ang nasa thousands place. So, ang nasa kanan is 6. Round up, it becomes 16,000. Sa 10,000s place, 1 ang nasa kanan niya ay 5. Round up, it becomes 20,000 pesos. Sa dining set, na ang actual price is 44,750 pesos. Pag ni-round up sa thousands place, pag ni-round up sa thousands, 4 ang nasa thousands place. At ang nasa kanan niya ay 7, means round up. So it becomes 45,000 pesos. Sa 10,000 place, 4, ang nasa kanan niya ay 4, round down. So the answer is 40,000 pesos. Learning task 8. Round up the following underlined digit to the nearest place value. Number 1, 23,675. I-round up natin sa 10,000s. And that is the digit 2. So, ang nasa kanan niya ay 3. So, ang 2 ay mananatiling 2. Round down. So, 20,000. Number 2, 25,975. Round up to the nearest 10,000s. The digit 2. So, ang nasa kanan niya is 5. Round up. It becomes 30,000. Number 3, 76,901. I-round up natin sa thousands place. And that is the digit 6. Ang nasa kanan niya is 9. So, round up. 6 becomes 7. So, means 77,000. For number 4, 60,952. Round up to the nearest thousands. That is 0. So, ang nasa kanan niya is 9. 0 becomes 1. 61. That is round up. Number 5, 30,943. Round up to the nearest thousands. 0. 0 becomes 1. So, 31,000. Number 6, 66,072. I-round up natin sa nearest thousands. 6. So, ang nasa kanan niyo is 0. Less than 5. So, round down. It retained to 6. So, the answer is 66,000. Number 7, 91,731. Round up to the nearest thousand. So, 1. Ang nasa kanan niya is 7. More than 5. So, round up. 92,000. Number 8, 45,395. Round up to the nearest thousands. So, ang nasa kanan ng 4 is 5. Round up. It becomes 50,000. Number 9, 56,466. I-round up natin sa nearest thousands. Ang nasa kanan niya ay 4. Less than 5. So, round down. So, 56,000. And number 10, 38,460. Round up to the nearest 10,000s. So, 3. Ang nasa kanan niya ay 8. More than 5. So, 3 becomes 4. So, 40,000. When you are comparing numbers, always begin from in the digits in the highest place value. If the digits are the same, proceed to the next digit, then compare. To arrange the number in increasing or decreasing order, compare two numbers at a time. Do the same procedure with the other numbers to be arranged. Then arrange the numbers according to what is ordered. To round off a number, underline the digit to be rounded off. If the digit on the right is equal to or greater than 5, increase the digit by 1. If the digit is less than 5, retain the digit as it is. Replace all the digits on its right with zeros. Learning Task 9. Write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following numbers is the greatest number? Number 2. Which of the following number is the least? Number 3. Which of the number from the set of numbers does not belong in order? Number 4. Which of the number from the set of numbers does not belong in the order? Five. What is 47,652 rounded to the nearest 10,000s? Number 6, 13,678 is between which two numbers? Number 7, about how many audience come in the concert if the recorded is 41,425? Number 8, 83,234 is closer to which 10,000 number? Number 9, the number 60,000 is rounded to the nearest. Number 10, I am a 4-digit number. I am 5,000 rounded to the nearest thousands. I am odd number. My 10th digit is even. What number I am?